If you score 20 out of 50 on this general knowledge quiz, your brain power is amazing. Question number 1. How many degrees are in a circle? A 360, B 270, C 720. A 360 is the right answer. Question number 2. Which country invented pizza? A Spain, B Greece, C Italy. C Italy is the right answer. Question number 3. Presidential Medal of Freedom is the highest civilian award of dash. A China, B Canada, C USA. C USA is the right answer. Question number 4. The country with the most number of lakes is dash. A Russia, B Canada, C Brazil. B Canada is the right answer. Question number 5. The highest mountain in Japan is dash. A Mount Fuji, B Mount Everest, C Mount Aconcagua. A Mount Fuji is the right answer. Question number 6. The country with the largest Muslim population in the world is dash. A Bangladesh, B Indonesia, C Pakistan. B Indonesia is the right answer. Question number 7. The only continent without any desert is dash. A Europe, B Australia, C Antarctica. A Europe is the right answer. Question number 8. The total number of oceans in the world is dash. A 6, B 7, C 5. C5 is the right answer. Question number 9. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A mercury, B gold, C silver. A mercury is the right answer. Question number 10. How many seconds are in an hour? A 3500, B 2400, C 3600. C 3600 is the right answer. Question number 11. Which animal is known for its strips? A cheetah, B tiger, C zebra. C zebra is the right answer. Question number 12. What is the primary ingredients in hummus? A lentils, B chickpeas, C beans. B chickpeas is the right answer. Question number 13. Which planet is known for its rings? A Saturn, B Uranus, C Jupiter. A Saturn is the right answer. Question number 15. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood? A liver, B kidneys, C lungs. B kidneys is the right answer. Question number 15. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? A octopus, B jellyfish, C starfish. A octopus is the right answer. Question number 16. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? A Britain, B Germany, C France. C France is the right answer. Question number 17. How many bones are there in the human body? A 206, B 208, C 200. A 206 is the right answer. Question number 18. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? A 0 Fahrenheit, B 212 Fahrenheit, C 32 Fahrenheit. C 32 Fahrenheit is the right answer. Question number 19. Which fruit has seeds on the outside? A apple, B mango, C strawberry. C strawberry is the right answer. Question number 20. In which country is the Great Pyramid of Giza located? A Libya, B Egypt, C Sudan. B Egypt is the right answer. Question number 21. Who invented the light bulb? A Thomas Edison, B Nikola Tesla, C Wright brothers. A Thomas Edison is the right answer. Question number 22. What is the national sport of Japan? A judo, B sumo, C karate. B sumo is the right answer. Question number 23. How many legs does a spider have? A 8, B 10, C 6. A 8 is the right answer. Question number 24. Which animal kills the most humans each year? A snake, B lion, C mosquito. C mosquito is the right answer. Question number 25. What is the longest day of the year called? A 21st June, B 21st July, C 21st May. A 21st June is the right answer. Question number 26. How many days are in a leap year? A 360, B 356, C 366. A 366 is the right answer. Question number 27. Which continent is the largest by land area? A Africa, B Europe, C Asia. C Asia is the right answer. Question number 28. Which country produces the most oil? A Russia, B United States, C Germany. B United States is the right answer. Question number 29. In which season do leaves usually fall? A autumn, B winter, C spring. A autumn is the right answer. Question number 30. Which plants grows fastest on earth? A fern, B bamboo, C cactus. B bamboo is the right answer. Question number 31. What is the most common pet in the world? A dog, B cat, C parrot. A dog is the right answer. Question number 32. How many times bigger is the sun than the earth? A 1000 times, B 25 times, C 109 times. C 109 times is the right answer. Question number 33. What is the hardest natural substance on earth? A diamond, B gold, C iron. A diamond is the right answer. Question number 34. Bangkok is the capital of which country? A Cambodia, B Myanmar, C Thailand. C Thailand is the right answer. Question number 35. Which country eats the most fast food? A Thailand, B Uzbekistan, C Mexico. C Mexico is the right answer. Question number 36. What is the largest rainforest in the world? A Congo, B Amazon, C Mekong. B. Amazon is the right answer. Question number 37. Capital of Germany is A. Berlin, B. Zurich, C. Brussels. A. Berlin is the right answer. Question number 38. Which country is home to Mount Fuji? A. China, B. Japan, C. South Korea. B. Japan is the right answer. Question number 39. Which country is known as the land of smiles? A. Thailand, B. Malaysia, C. Australia. A. Thailand is the right answer. Question number 40. Which country has the cleanest water? A. Canada, B. Japan, C. Iceland. C. Iceland is the right answer. Question number 41. Which blood type is the universal donor? A. O negative, B. A positive, C. B negative. A. O negative is the right answer. Question number 42. Which bird is the symbol of peace? A. Eagle, B. Owl, C. Dove. C. Dove is the right answer. Question number 43. Which organ produces insulin? A. Liver, B. Kidney, C. Pancreas. C. Pancreas is the right answer. Question number 44. Which gas do plants absorb from the air? A. Hydrogen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide is the right answer. Question number 45. Which vitamin helps with blood clotting? A. Vitamin K, B. Vitamin B6, C. Vitamin C. A. Vitamin K is the right answer. Question number 46. How many meters are in 1 kilometer? A. 100, B. 1000, C. 500. B. 1000 is the right answer. Question number 47. What spice is used most often in cooking? A. Salt, B. Pepper, C. Turmeric. A. Salt is the right answer. Question number 48. Which bone protects the brain? A. Rib, B. Spine, C. Skull. C. Skull is the right answer. Question number 49. Which sea animal has eyes on its arms? A. Brittle star, B. Squid, C. Clam. A. Brittle star is the right answer. Question number 50. What is the most widely eaten fish globally? A. Salmon, B. Pollock, C. Tuna. C. Tuna is the right answer. How many questions you have answered correctly? Please comment your score below. Subscribe for more videos.